Accomplice of an alleged drug lord has been arrested in the BUYBUST operation conducted by the Talisay City Police Office in Barangay Bulacau, Cebu City. The arrested individual was identified as John Casper Puyat Makaalay, 21 years old, from Barangay Quiyot. According to Talisay City Police Lieutenant Colonel 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪, Makaalay is one of the trusted staff of a drug lord who supplies illegal drugs in the cities of Cebu and Talisay. Their investigation reveals that the suspect can dispose to 1 kilo of SHABU and every week to distribute to the different drug pushers. Makaalay was also given his own house and weapons by his drug lord boss.
Kini siya is considered ng high value individual. Siya ang bodegero, siya ang tiga dawat aning mga tag 1 kilo SHABU, din siya may mo distribute. In a week, kaya niya maka-distribute og 1 kilo.
They identified him as a high-value individual because of the amount of drugs they can get to sell every week. The police confiscated from the suspect are the following: 10 packs of SHABU, 1 unit of 22 caliber revolver without a serial number, 5 pieces live ammunition for 22 caliber revolver, 1 large transparent Ziploc plastic used as drug container. A total of 525 grams of suspected SHABU were confiscated with DDB value of 3.5 million pesos. The suspect will face charges in violation of RA 9165, Section 5 and 10, or the possession and selling of illegal drugs, and BP 881 in relation to COMELEC gun ban, Resolution 10728. This has been Sheriza Uy from my TV Cebu.